Alrighty guys, we're getting underway here. We just got that weird shroud thing taken off here. It's 4 8mm. Here, and here. It's pretty simple. Take those out, jiggle it around, and you have to take off your dipstick when you do it, but you can put that back in now. Aside from that, I believe we got some 10 or 12mm bolts holding on these V-clamps. 11 mil for the crossover tube. So we're going to zip those off here quick.
Should be the same.
So we can unplug this now. Got it that way. I don't think this is deep enough, buddy. Well, you could have switched to the, you wanted to switch to this one. These ones are shorter. Now they're wrapping out a little bit. You're gonna hit that. These things have never been off, so they're gonna need a little love. Okay, we've got this plate, I believe, holding it down too. Yeah.
You're too impatient, boy.
I know. Oh. You gotta get this off.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm excited, guys. This is crazy. Huh?
You've been very impatient.
I know. I've been up since like early as hell. See what's holding it, bud?
Holding your arm. Yeah, you got a little bracket back here. Holding on.
Wow. Jiminy Christmas. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get to there without taking off this coolant hose. Let's take that off. Channel locks. Oh, here. They're in my box truck, but I got these that might do the trick. No, that's big, man. Here on this channel, we're all used to working on like itty bitty Jeeps and stuff.
Having our tools together.
Yeah, and having our tools together and not covered in Christmas stuff. It's been a little crazy after the holidays, folks. This is just absurd.
It's no break it.
It's no break it, he says.
Good right.
Like it feels like it's twisting on it though. Like it's just slipped over it.
No, it's not.
It's not? Because you don't want to walk over to the box truck.
Yeah. That's the reason.
That's the reason. You're gonna have to go walk over to the box truck.
You can go walk over to the box truck.
Oh my gosh. These fools are all off there.
Come on, Billy.
Get it? This is do-it-yourselfers here, guys. We're here to help the average Joe do it.
Get a flat.
Flat.
Right. Twist.
There, get it. That's how you get leaks, Billy.
Huh?
I said that's how you get leaks, Billy.
No, it's not. This has never been apart.
No, nothing's ever been apart. Truck's like, what are you doing to me?
You only broke the seal. Rip that bitch off. There you go.
Come on.
Slowly coming. Still stuck on the bottom.
Yeah, it's still stuck on the bottom. I'm trying to twist. Kneeling is not exactly.
Ideal.
Yeah. This is really in my way. And that's what we're trying to get off. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. There we go. Did it spray you?
Yep.
It's gonna spray here in a minute. It's coming off. Got it. Woo! She's gonna squeak when she starts. Okay. Ah! Woo! Probably should have started with the exhaust, eh? No, we're not gonna be landing. Fucking coolant. Oh well. Okie dokie. 8mm. Yeah, do you got that? Probably just a regular old ratchet will work. 3/8 drive. Probably the dumbest thing ever. If you guys ever put this back on, I would just leave this off.
Nothing fit?
It should if I could see it. I can't see it. There. Don't drop. Give me something longer. I can't get this on there. I'm going to drop it. Thank you. There.
That fit it?
Yeah.
Whatever you use, put that.
What's up?
Whatever you use.
Thank you.
Gross.
Yeah, that's what we're getting rid of.
It's nasty. It's nasty.
Hell yeah, gross. This truck only has 120,000 miles on it. Show them that, Billy. 121,000 miles. Oh my god.
That's thick too.
I know it.
All the way through.
This thing's gonna breathe so much better. The only thing that would help is if this would have been done the day it came off the showroom floor. But people don't have that option always, and people are enticed by factory warranties, and I say if it breaks within 100,000 miles, you bought the wrong vehicle. And if you can't fix it yourself, what are you doing owning it? So, here we are. Seeming to go along pretty well here. I think we're going to take a little break here, clean up some of this coolant, and then we'll come back to when it's time to take off the actual EGR unit and any of this piping over here if necessary. I know we got to do the coolant bypass, so I'm pretty sure this whole mechanism comes off. It's going to be fun. It's going to be eventful. I got to make sure that I try and include everything necessary in here for you guys, so you guys can do this yourselves, step by step, without any questions or, you know, worries as to what you're doing. It may harm your truck or anything like that. So, like I said, I got this truck on my own, so if I hurt it, it's on me. So I'm stuck with it, and I got to make the payments. So we're gonna be really cautious as we proceed and make sure that we do everything right. I'm really, actually, pretty amazed at just how much soot has built up in this. This looks equivalent to what I've seen in my 238,000 mile box truck with a 5.2 liter turbo diesel, and this is just insane. On that particular truck, I was able to block off the EGR and not throw any codes, so that truck has no EGR. Keeping all this crap out of my motor to the best I can. So with that, we're going to try and just apply the same principle here and allow this motor to provide us long-term power for years to come. Thanks again, guys. Stay tuned.